Good morning. It's a cold morning. It's the end of February. Yeah, you can just about see my breath. It's about 4 degrees and I'm here at the unit nice and early because I've not been given a time that I have to be here by the delivery company. So it's a Saturday AM slot that I've got to be here. What am I waiting for? 2 post lift, baby. Good job I got here early. Here he is.
In my lane.
Hey! Beautiful. You're gonna have to go up and over, aren't you? Grin on my face, I'm buzzing. This is wicked. Getting the lift. Oh, watch me van. Can you just put it about halfway down for us? Sweet. So I picked this up from Garage Equipment Group, and I tell you what, wasn't bad money. I went brand new. I was going to get an X demo, and they twisted my arm into buying a brand new one for not much more money, and it just made sense. Get the extra warranty and things like that, and you know, no one else has used it. It's my baby. So yeah, I'm going to set about trying to unwrap it and get it built. Yeah, quite heavy. I think the overall package there is about 700 kilos. I've somehow got to move the posts by myself and get them drilled into the floor and all that good stuff. So I'll set the GoPro up and, you know, perhaps we'll capture some good footage. Who knows? In my defence, I was left unsupervised. The GoPro footage is crapped out to do the time lapse. I'm really annoyed about that. So there is no footage of me doing the work, but here it is. I couldn't be happier, I really couldn't. This is the best thing that I've ever purchased. Other than a house and an engagement ring, this is the third best thing I've ever purchased. Let's just clarify that. This is the third best thing. Anyway, right, let me give you a quick walk around. So I still need to tidy up all the packaging mess and all the concrete dust. These holes were mega. These were 18mm holes. I went through 2 drill bits to do so, but they're done. And they are firmly in place. Obviously I've checked all the uprights are square and true and level and all that good stuff, so I know that it is safe. I'll leave it up overnight as well. So we've got, you know, a nice locking system for the arms. The arms sit onto the factory lifting points quite well. This is perfect height for me under the vehicle, you know. Might need to wear a hard hat, but yeah, I could go up slightly higher, but there's not much more travel before we hit the limit switch. So yeah, I've just got to be careful though. That's why I've had to have this open, because actually we hit the limit switch and you have to take it up to be able to take the locks off, and I couldn't because it hit the limit switch. There's a reset in there, but pop this back on and it's all good to go. There's no leaks, it's all good. I literally could not be happier. This is like, yeah, big dream of mine finally coming true. It is going to make things a lot easier moving forwards. So I'm going to leave this up overnight just to you know, stress test it, make sure that everything is good. And then I got first job on it tomorrow. We're changing the blue Holdex controller from my truck car onto a customer's car. So I'm looking forward to that. That is a job that I hate doing. And so hopefully this, with this better access, is going to make that better. Anyway, guys, I hope that's been interesting for you. This is, you know, massive step forward for me, you know, so I'm glad to have shared that with you. I hope to see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.